anymore.
I'll get all the answers to all those burning questions.
Inquiring minds need to know.
Who fall in love with whom?
You was so brave from you jumping into Granny Parker's butt like that.
Oh, Brooke, you noticed.
Thanks, Steve. You really saved us all.
My pleasure, Melody.